Hello, folks. Namaste and good morning. Good morning from Bangalore. How are you all? I'm here in Bangalore. And the day I reached, it was day before yesterday. Yesterday I did not vlog. Day before yesterday I drove around 860 kilometers, and that's something which I shouldn't have done. After reaching the place, I was tired. I was not feeling well. Ringata lagi raha thi, I was getting giddiness and all those things. And I was supposed to reach this home that day before yesterday, but I couldn't drive till here. You have seen my last vlog. I was there in an ashram. I went there to meet a friend. So from that ashram, I was not in a position to drive till this place. This is 72 kilometers away from that ashram. So what happened? I requested my friend Tara to book a place for me in that ashram itself. I stayed there. And yes, yesterday morning I came here and I did not vlog yesterday. I was not in a mood. I was not feeling well actually. So what we did yesterday was I came here, I was resting, I got a good breakfast, I had that, and nothing much. We were pretty much in the house itself, but there were my friends who came in. Rahul came and we did a small photo shoot of this guy Nitin's son. It was a राम्रो photo shoot भयो yeah. The photo shoot also took some time, and Rahul is amazing. He is he is so passionate about photography, videography and all. So we did that. After that, in the evening, slowly friends started coming in. First, who came in first? Rahul came, he did his photography, he went. After Rahul, Manohar came, and after Manohar, Madhu TC came. After Madhu, Vinay came. So we had a good time, and yesterday just rest गरेर नै मेरो दिन बित्यो. So as I got up very early, I got up at 6. You can see my laptop, it's on because I had classes. मैले आफ्नो क्लासको सेसन अहिले भर्खर सकेँ. अब I'll edit a video, but before that, Hyundai representative, they are coming here to pick up my car. I need to send my car for service. So Hyundai को मान्छेहरूले गाडी पनि लिएर जानुहुन्छ. Thank you Hyundai Nepal for coordinating. Hyundai नेपालले कोअर्डिनेट गरिदिनु भएको थियो, बिकज अफ विच यहाँ आएर मैले सर्भिस स्टेसन सर्च गरिरहनु परेन, के पनि गरिरहनु परेन. उहाँहरूले कोअर्डिनेट गरिदिनु भयो. दे आर कमिङ हियर, दे विल पिक माई कार, दे विल गो सर्भिस गरेर उहाँहरूले पठाइदिन्छ, यहाँ ड्रप पनि गरिदिन्छ, विच इज अ गुड थिङ फर मी. यति हो कुरा अहिलेलाई. अहिले या सो द्याट्स द फेसिलिटी. आई मिन त्यो फेसिलिटी यहाँ सबै कस्टमरलाई छ, मैले मात्रै पाएको होइन, सबै कस्टमरहरूलाई पिक एन्ड ड्रपको फेसिलिटी यहाँ इन्डियामा छ. नाउ आई हेभ गट अ लङ डे टुडे. अबुजरलाई पनि भेट्छु म, मेरो एमबिए गरेको साथीहरूलाई. एन्ड आई लभ इट एज थिङ्स ह्यापन इन द डे, राइट? So this is going to be the first Hyundai Grand i10 Neos AMT which is going to get serviced in Bangalore. And he is the person who has come here to pick up the car. Thank you so much, sir. And I am expecting, what is the kind of tentative cost that it might come for this generator?
Is the paid sales or free sales?
Actually, it's free.
Free.
Uh,
So 4,500 plus taxes.
4,500 plus tax. It looks like it's expensive than Nepal, man.
No.
Yeah, it is. I've got a bill here. Nepal ka mera pocket mein hai. I can show you. It's cheaper in Nepal. Technically, it should be cheaper in India, right? Okay, so I'd like to request you to, give the car as early as possible.
What happened? Hey, little one, what happened? You're getting ready for poha? All set. इसको क्या बोलते हैं बोल तो?
It's called poha.
Poha. It's North Indian breakfast. Understand?
He's a South Indian guy.
Married to a North Indian girl.
Married to a North Indian girl. Yesterday we had dosa, today we are having poha. Yesterday South Indian, today North Indian, right?
Yeah. So what we did is like I'm from Kerala, down south. He's from Delhi, down south. So we caught somewhere in middle, Madhya Pradesh.
Oh yeah, correct. Well said.
One eternity later.
बोला था ना काम नहीं करेगा बोल के. I said, bring international this thing. This is how these people. No, don't worry. I'll give you cash. This is how these people deliver the car, so that when the delivery person brings the car, everything is clean and all. There's something very unique for me. Okay. already 6:15 p.m., 6:16 p.m. Nepali time. Those are around 6 o'clock. And I'm on my way to Yojna Didi's house, and from there I'll go to Abuja's house. Some days back, it was his daughter's birthday, and they're all outside. So I'll meet with my MBA friends today at Abuja's place. Dan Minaju has shared with me the location, and then Abuja also has shared me with his location. This vlog is going to be a very small vlog because whole day I was busy editing the video, and I've already posted 2 videos. Day 1 and day 2 video is done. Day 3 and day 4 I'm yet to do. Day 5 I did not vlog. So is it day 6 today? Oh wow. Somehow got out of the, what to tell, man, terrific Bangalore traffic. Electronic City is on the other side, you just need to cross the flyover area, main road, and get into the other side. Special appam हैन त हाम्रो बिनाजीले बनाएको पालप्पम. You're not eating. You have lost lots of weight. Just came back meeting Yojna Didi, Meena Didi, Binaju, बच्चाहरु है, दिपु र दिया. अब म मेरो साथीको घर जाँदैछु, अबुको घर. मेरो MBA सँगै पढेको साथीहरुको. I'll be spending my time with them today. Bangalore traffic, I'll tell you, man, it's sick. And city like Bangalore, they honk so much unnecessarily. There are so many humps which is not visible also. I'm driving and suddenly my car is jumping on the hump. Only that time I'm realizing, oh shit, I'm on the hump now. Going anywhere nearby also is taking a lot of time. Now because it's 8:30 now, around 8:15, 8:30, traffic has come down a little bit less now. You can see I'm not in the city side and all. I'm right now in somewhere nearby. Whenever I'm about to take the name of that place, I forget, man. Bannerghatta. Okay, I'm in Bannerghatta now. And my destination now is around 3 kilometers away from this place. Let's go there. I heard that I just called my friends and looks like they're playing badminton. प्रगति छ केटाहरुको ब्याडमिन्टन खेल्न थालेछ नि इभिनिङमा 8:30-9 बजे. हे भगवान. पुग्न त पुगे तर मुलाहरुको घर यति कन्फ्युजन छ. टावर 1, टावर 2, यो त्यो भन्छ. अब कहाँ हो मैले बुझ्नै सकिरहेको छैन. ओके, टावर 1 and 2 सँगै रहेछ. अब यसको गेस्ट पार्किङ चाहिँ कहाँ हो? वेयर इज गेस्ट पार्किङ? घरै घर, ठुलो घर. पार्किङ कहाँ हो त? गेस्ट पार्किङ त भरि छ त. Smile. That's a light smile, huh?
Outside, but with us he is very.
सबजना लागेका छन् मुलाहरू दुब्लाउनलाई. Give me a smile. Hello. But he's smiling a little bit. He's not a badmash kind of guy, huh? ल यस्तो पनि तरिका हो. 10 बजे खाना खाने भन्छ यार.
We eat at 7 because of this guy.
What because of me? It's not because of me. Forget it. I don't want to have dinner now. 10 बजे डिनर मगाउने रे. म कतिखेर सुत्ने? I've got a class tomorrow morning.
The moment you landed, I
Yeah.
asked,
Come.
or 10. He said, I won't even eat.
Yeah, I'm saying I don't want to even eat, but okay,
I
fine.
won't.
You to it.
Yes.
And that's a unique car, see, red number plate.
Yes.
ये लगता है ये मिनिस्टर का गाड़ी है. छोटा सा ग्रैंड i10. ल इधर बस्ने अब यो ठुला मान्छेहरू बस्ने ठाउँ हो यो चाहिँ. Big people, big place with so many with lots of facilities around.
जिनका दोस्त आशीष होता है वो छोटे हो ही नहीं सकते.
हाय साला क्या बात है. दिल खुश कर दिया अबजर तूने. कभी तो फैमिली लेके आओ. इट सीम्स
बर्थडे आज ही टूटने वाला है वो। थोड़ा बड़ा दे देती हूँ, हम ले लेते हैं। वो नहीं खाते, वो ब्रेड और अंडा वाला है।
ऐसा नहीं है, ब्रेड और अंडा वाला है it seems.
Skillet. Wrap and give off.
यहाँ पर मेहमान कौन है बे? उस मेहमान
कोई नहीं मेहमान.
मैं सिर्फ तेरा महबूब तू मेरी महबूबा. इन लोग सेकंड राउंड है क्या? बेबी सिटिंग. तुम टीवी ऑन नहीं कर रही हो?
मैंने बोला बंद करने को.
मम्मा ने बोला.
उसने तुमको अकेला छोड़ा अलाया, उसने अकेला छोड़ा.